Good morning friends, I am Kotewswara Reddy. I am an aptitude trainer from BYRT Narsapur. Today we will discuss very important topic in reasoning, data sufficiency. Very important topic in all competitive exams, data sufficiency. In recent competitive exams in TCS and Infosys, Cognizant, in every competitive exam they give these questions, data sufficiency. Because it is a combination of all topics. In CAT exam especially they will give 20 marks from this topic. Highest important in CAT exam. In Infosys also they will give 2 to 5 marks and TCS also in recent competitive exam. So highest important topic in reasoning, data sufficiency. Okay. How the questions will data sufficiency? I'll give an example. First I'll give one question. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? First they'll give one question like this. What is the value of x? Data 1. First they'll give data 1. X equal to y plus 4. And they'll give data 2. Xy equal to 45. So in data sufficiency, first they'll give one question, what is the value of x? They'll give two data. Data 1, x equal to y plus 4. Data 2, xy equal 45. And they'll give 5 options. First option, only data 1 is required to answer the question. Suppose you can find out the x value by using data 1 alone, then option A is correct. What is the data 1? X equal to y plus 4. From this one you can find x value? No. The reason is you cannot know the value of y. So the option is A eliminated. Next B option. Only data 2 is required to answer the question. Suppose you can find out x value by using data 2 alone, option B correct. What is the data 2? Xy equal to 45. From this data you can find out x value? No, because you don't know the value of y. So next C. Third option, second option is eliminated. Either data 1 or data 2 are required to answer the question. By using data 1 alone you can answer. By using data 2 alone you can answer. Option C correct. It is possible? No. Next D. Both data 1 and data 2 are required to answer the question. Suppose by using both data you can answer D correct. We'll see. For example, y value 5, x value 9. 9 into 5, 45. So x value 9. Y equal to minus 9. X equal to minus 9 plus 4, minus 5. Minus 9 into minus 5, 45. So x value is minus 5. So for this question, option E, neither data 1 nor data 2 are required to answer the question. Option E correct. Then you are asked out, sir, you are getting x value. Why you are saying it is not possible? Mean you are getting x values, but how many? 2. So in data sufficiency, one important note is, remember lifelong, in data sufficiency, it is not important to get the answer. The answer should be unique. So remember this point lifelong. In data sufficiency, unique answers are only valid. In data sufficiency, multiple answers are not valid. Okay. So this is data sufficiency. In data sufficiency, they'll give one question, what is the value of x? They'll give two data. Data 1, x equal to y plus 4. Data 2, xy equal to 45. They'll give 5 options. First option, only data 1 is required to answer the question. Suppose by using x equal to y plus 4 you can find an x value. Option A you can tick down. But the problem is we don't know the value of y, so we cannot find the value of x. Next, only data 2 is required to answer the question. Suppose by using data 2 alone you can answer B correct. We will say xy equal to 45. We cannot find x value because we don't know the value of y. Next, second option also eliminated. Third option, either data 1 or data 2 are required to answer the question. By using data 1 alone you can answer. By using data 2 alone answer C correct. It is not possible. Next D, both data 1 and data 2 are required to answer the question. By using both data you can answer D correct. Yes, you are getting answers, but the problem is you are getting multiple answers. So option E correct. So neither data 1 nor data 2 are required to answer the question. So on logic is, in entire data sufficiency topic, you remember this point. In data sufficiency, it is not important to get the answer. The answer should be unique. So remember this note. In data sufficiency, unique answers are only valid. In data sufficiency, multiple answers are not valid. So entire topic, remember this point. Okay. In data sufficiency, unique answers are only valid. Now we'll get doubt. Sir, sometimes they'll give in the exam only 4 options, but here are 5 options. Now, whenever they given 4 options, they eliminate third option, either data 1 or data 2. Remaining 4 options they'll give. Okay. So this is data sufficiency. In data sufficiency, they'll give 1 question, 2 datas and 5 options. In an entire topic, when you are solving problems in data sufficiency, in remain the processes in data sufficiency, unique answers are only valid. Now we'll see one famous example, very very important. Is the integer k odd or even? Is the integer k odd or even? So this is the question, very very important question. Is the integer k odd or even? Data 1, square of k is odd. Square of k is odd. Data 2, 2k is even. 2k is even. First they will give one question. Is the integer k odd or even? Data 1, square of k is odd. Data 2, 2k is even. We don't need to answer k value. Whether k is odd or even, you have to find out by using these 2 data. First one, square of k is odd. For example, I will take square of k 81. So k value 9. Odd or even? Odd. Square of k 25. K value 5. Odd or even? Odd. Square of k 49. K value 7. Odd. So suppose someone said square of k odd means k must be odd. So by using data 1, you can answer k is odd. Now data 2, 2k is even. For example, 2k value 16, k value 8, even. 2k equal to 10, k value 5, odd. So 2k even means k may be either odd or even, we cannot decide. So answer is only data 1 is required to answer the question. Answer is A. So suppose someone said square of k is odd, immediately you can say k is odd. Suppose someone said 2k is even, we cannot say k is odd or even. So the option is A correct. So in data sufficiency, unique answers are only valid. Now one more example. What is the value of x? We have to find out the x value. Data 1, x minus 2y equal to 7. Data 2, 4x minus 28 equal to 8y. This is important. What is the value of x? Data 1, x minus 2y equal to 7. Data 2, 4x minus 28 equal 8y. Now first one. Only data 1 is required to answer the question. X minus 2 equal to 7. You can find x value? No, because you don't have value of y. So our first option is eliminated. Next, 4x minus 28 equal to 8y. You can find x value? No, because you don't have value of y. Then we can take, by using both we will see. Suppose 4 common, x minus 7 equal to 8y. 4 ones, 4 twos, x minus 2 equal to 7. Both equations are same, so option E correct. Now we'll get out. Sir, they're given 2 equations, 2 variables, you can find out. Yes, correct. That's why they will ask this question. Remember, one question they given in a exam means compulsory one twist is there or one logic is there. Why they will ask this question? Because previous question the logic students will think, sir, 2k is even, k is even. No. 2k even means k may be odd or even, we cannot decide. Square of k means k odd. So students generally will think C, but answer is A. Here students will think, sir, they are given 2 equations, 2 variables. You can find out the option is D. Wrong. Yes, logic is correct only. 2 variables, 2 equations means you can find out answer option D correct. But the problem is both equations are same. That's why option E correct. So in exam students will think, sir, if you know knowledge, you will get job. No. Only your knowledge is 50% of the exam national. Remaining 50% is at that time your thought process or your logic. Okay. Next, one more question. How is never written in a code language? How is never written on a code language? I said it in the first introduction. In data science, it is a combination of all topics. This is from coding and decoding. How is, that's why in recent competitive exam from last 1 year to 6 months, in a very competitive exam, why they conduct data substance course mean to test all topics knowledge. That's why in recent competitive exam, this is a very, very important topic, data sufficiency. Okay, so it is from coding and decoding. You have to find out the code for never. Data 1, never go there. Never go there is written as HADAPA. Data 2, go home now is written as DAKARA. So first we have to find out what is the code for never. There are given two data. Data 1, never go there is written as HADAPA. Go home now is written as DAKARA. Why they allow this question? Students will think, sir, never equal to HA, go equal DA, there equal PA. So first option, no. In coding and decoding, that is not correct. What the logic is in coding and decoding, compare first and second. What is the common? Go. This side, DA. So go equal to DA. Next, never means either HA or PA. We cannot find out. So option E correct. Why they love this question? Because students will think, sir, never equal to HA, go equal DA, there equal PA. So you can find out a never code. Answer A is correct. No. So in coding and decoding, that is not correct procedure. The correct procedure is compare first and second. Common is go. Here DA. Go equal to DA. So never means either HA or PA. We cannot decide. Okay. So this is data sufficiency. Once again, I will repeat. In data sufficiency, they'll give one question, 2 datas and 5 options. Whenever they give 4 options, they eliminate third option. Okay. So in the entire topic, when I'm solving, the key point is in data sufficiency, multiple answers are not valid. Means in data sufficiency, it is not important to get the answer. The answer should be unique. So in data sufficiency, unique answers are only valid. Okay. This is data sufficiency. Thank you.
Vishnu Audio Visual Center, like and share and subscribe and click bell icon.